Grayson College's computer maintenance program prepares students to support computers in a networked environment. 2. The Computer Information Technology program at TAT Knoxville is designed to prepare students for an entry-level position in computer-related occupations. Computer support specialists are professionals who provide technical assistance to computer users, either by phone, email, or in person. The Department of Information Technology completed server and network maintenance in May 2023 and asked users to reboot their computers for refreshment computers. And information technology occupations involve creating or supporting computer applications, systems, and networks. The Computer Information Technology program at Cat Dixon covers many aspects of computers and servers, including hardware and software assembly and repair, backup, and email. ELBC Installation and Maintenance Certificate Program in Information Technology enables students to install, optimize, upgrade, and troubleshoot personal computer hardware and software. 8. The Office of Information Technology at Princeton University is committed to technology support and innovation.